Good afternoon, class. So this is Mr. George speaking. Welcome again to our class. Today, we are going to learn about planned media standardization. But before that, I want to confirm who are those who are present. Jared, are you there? Chariot, can you unmute? Please unmute.
Present, I'm present.
Yes, Chariot, I can see you there. What about Jared?
Gerald is present.
Jared, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's start our lesson today. So by the end of this lesson, you are expected to be able to define planned media sterilization. And the second one is to explain his treatment strategies using sterilizing planting medium. Planting medium. So, first of all, can someone be able to define, one of you, can you be able to define, Jared or Chariot, can you be able to define plant media sterilization?
Yes.
Yes, Henry?
I can try.
Yes, try.
It's a process best that can declare planting medium quality.
That's very good. Simply, we say that plant media sterilization is the process of killing or destroying pests that decline plant media quality. That's okay. So we have two methods of plant media sterilization. The first one is heat treatment, and the second one is chemical treatment. But for the sake of this lesson, we are going to learn about heat treatment. And under heat treatment, we have three strategies that we use to sterilize soil. The first one is steam. The second one is use of radiated steam. And the last one is use of dry heat. Can you please discuss and present your findings in 2 minutes? Please discuss and present your findings in 2 minutes concerning these three strategies. Let's go on.
Steam is an efficient means of supplying moist.
Yes. Talk about the steam is what, Gerald?
Yeah. Now, the steam is an efficient means for supplying moist heat. Steam can be produced using a steam boiler or even a steam generator.
Yes. But now for aerated steam is whereby now blending of the steam with the forced air from the flower.
Yeah, that is good. Very good for that discussion. For steam, we say that steam is an efficient way of supplying moist heat. This can be, steam usually is produced by use of steam boilers or steam generators. And this steam is the one that is used to kill these pests. So the advantages of using steam is that steam transfers heat as it condenses. In the process of condensing, it is able to sterilize or heat that soil until it is able to sterilize that soil. Secondly, use of steam has high specific heat compared to water, and is therefore much preferred when sterilizing the soil as opposed to use of hot water. The disadvantages of steam, however, is that you may need more energy to sterilize that soil, because the soil will always become moist. The second strategy is by use of aerated steam. Aerated steam simply means sterilizing the soil by use of steam and aerated air. And lastly, dry heat. This is the use of electric soil sterilizer to sterilize your soil. This usually uses common rotary kilns in large scale. However, in small scale, it may be used to sterilize. You may heat soil even in a pan to sterilize that soil. That will also be referred as dry heat. Are we together up to that? Up to
Yes.
there?
Yes.
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 Any question? There is
Please, teacher. Please, teacher, clarify on dry heat.
yeah, you're seeing on your screen is an example of how we sterilize soil using dry heat method. Are we together?
Yes.
And the next, what can you see? Steam.
Yes. It's a steam.
Yes, that is how we sterilize soil using steam. So, up to this session, what have you learned in this session today?
We have learned that there's a need for sterilizing the soil before planting.
Thank you, Gerard. That's so very good. Henry, what have you learned?
I've learned the heat treatment strategies whereby we have a steam, aerated steam, and dry heat.
Yes, that's good. We have heat treatment strategies. We have steam, we have aerated steam, and use of dry heat. And also, we said that the definition of soil sterilization is the use of is the killing actually of pests that are in the soil. So we have your assignment here. Assignment of the day is to discuss advantages and disadvantages of aerated steam as a heat treatment strategy, and it has 10 marks. You will submit in our next lesson. Otherwise, thank you so much. Our lesson today is over.